Okay, guys, I have to pause the video and continue from here. Okay, now this is support. Sorry, this is resistance and this is support. I have my support here. I have my support here. Why don't I write it? Okay, you understand that this is my support? I've already made this green. My support is always green. Resistance is red. Just to show that this is my buy zone, this is my selling zone. So one thing that concerns you is when price comes here, eh, it's sideways movement. Now price didn't really touch this resistance, so it's not a confirmed resistance first. You can see there is what we call patient in trading. There is a waiting time for you to confirm your strategy. Is this thing ready to give me my move? So all these things, okay, take for example now, you need to confirm this strategy is going to continue to move sideways before you can say you want to enter this trade. You can see this trade. Look at this trade here. I'm still waiting. I've not even buy, although this thing has hit my buy zone, this demand zone. I'm looking to buy it up. You can see I've not even planning to buy it until it gives me some movement. I'm expecting this movement. You can see this thing. You can see what I draw here. If the price is not giving me this movement, I'm not trading this thing. Shey you get? So all these things is just my waiting time to confirm my strategy. Shey you get? So as I was saying, this is my support. This is my waiting time. Sorry, I'm waiting for the market to give me exactly what I want for my confirmation. If I don't see it, I'm not trading this thing, despite setting it up like this. So all these things, because what I'm targeting is like risking $10 in this trade to give me like 40 to 50. Shey you get? So that's just normal thing. You need to understand your risk and your reward. So for now, I'm not trading this until the market give me my strategy confirmation. So that's why I said you need to confirm your strategy. Is this a confirmed what's it called, support and resistance? So how do you identify a support and resistance? Let me just excuse me. Let me just identify something for you. When market touches a zone twice, when market touch it twice, it's a confirmed support or resistance. As you can see, let me move this away. Sorry. Sorry, height. You have a call. Sorry about that. So when price touches a zone, uh, let me delete this. When price touches a zone twice, then that place is telling you that there's a rejection there. It's forming a zone that something. Why are you so big? Ah, little bit you. Uh, let me use small. Thank you. So when you have something like this zone twice, you is either a resistance or a support. If something touches, which one am I carrying now? Don't stress me, Joe. If something touches a zone twice, remember what I told you. If something touches a zone twice, same place two times, then it becomes a support or a resistance. You can see when it touches this zone twice, it becomes a support in this place. Now in this case, it's become a resistance. Here you get. So waiting for the market to give you your confirmation. Since you have a sure resistance, then you'll be looking for a selling. Since you have a sure resistance here, you'll be looking for a selling opportunity. All these things requires confirmation, and you yourself understand the kind of trader you want to be and which strategy you are using to trade the market. If you want to be a resistance and support and resistance trader, you have to understand how it works perfectly. Then what you are only looking for in the market is support and resistance. Now, there's another way you can trade a support and resistance market. Now, there's what we call uh, breakouts in market. Now, this between this the market is moving between resistance and support. Now, what happens when the market got to this zone? What happens when the market goes to this zone? Take a look at this zone. You can see it breaks this support zone and something happened. Let's go to 30 minutes candle. Use something. Hopefully, I will see it. Where is it? Okay, good, 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 good. Let me make it bigger, 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 bigger. Okay, now good. Look at what happens here. When price breaks above below this support, it's there's what we call the retest in the market. Retest. When price breaks the, okay, I think I explained this before. When price comes down, then it forms something like this. It's come to test this zone. Sometimes very well, it will come down very well, then come back like this and start continue to move down. It's still the same formula. It's just small here, it's just small. So you can be a breakout trader, because breakout is easy to identify in the market. It is easy. You all you want to be trading for life is just breakout. Anytime markets break out, you know that the market will continue in the direction where it's broke out. Okay, if it's going down and it's break out from a zone, then it should continue down. Shall you get? And if it's break above, yes, if it breaks above, let me go back to higher time frame. Why is this thing disappearing now? Okay, let me go to 4 hours. Are you kidding me? That's good. Okay, now let's see. You can see what happened when it break out of that zone. It's keep on moving down. Can you see the huge move in the market? So some people trade only this breakout. You can also decide this breakout is what you want to be trading. Once you identify your support and resistance zone, wait for it to break out of those of the zone. Then look for your entry and enter the market. Just sell it. And if it breaks up, let's look for one that breaks to the upside. If I can see one that breaks to the upside, I think I have something like this here. Let me see. Look at this. What's this now? Okay, I think it's my mouse. So let's look at this. Let me make it smaller. Now, this is a resistance now. You can see the way the market is moving from here. Now, when the markets break the zone, let me draw the support so that you guys won't be confused. Support down here. What's the color? Is green. Let me just use my green. Now, you can see the way the market is moving. Once it's break, immediately it's break, you can see what happens. It retest. It comes up, it breaks the resistance, it now retest. Then what happens when it retest? It starts moving up. You can see how much it moves. See, all the way to this zone. So if a trader should have even grow out of the market when the price hits this zone, when the price hits here, a trader should have just take his profit and just leave the market. So some people choose to be a breakout trader because it's very simple to identify. So you get, and the only issue you might have is that you don't wait for your confirmation and you are not patient enough, because you have to be patient enough for the market to give you your structure. I'm giving you a strategy for free. You can see I'm not charging you and I'm explaining everything. You can also see what's going on in the market. So that's just it. I told you guys you will learn everything that I know and I understand. So this is support and resistance. I'm giving you two ways you can trade support and resistance. It's either you trade the sideways movement or breakout. The breakout is more safe and is easy to identify than the inside one. So pick any one you like. Tomorrow we continue from trend line, how to trade on trend line, and I will also show you support and resistance on a trend market.